Let's name them all so we remember. January is cold with frosty air. Time to welcome a brand new year. Snowflakes fall everywhere, bundled up in coats and hats. We make snowmen just like that. Fireworks light up the night sky. February is short and sweet, with chilly air and snow beneath. Springtime's just a month away. Love is in the air with Valentine's. February's fun with love and cheer, a special month to hold dear. March is time to cheer. First day of spring is here. Winter says goodbye and flowers start to grow. The air gets warmer, the sun shines bright. Birds return singing with delight. It's time for kites flying in the sky. In March there's fun in every sort. April means it's really spring, with butterflies and warm sunshine. The trees grow green, the skies turn blue. It's also time for April Fool's Day, a day for jokes and fun to play. April is a happy time. May brings the warmest days. Flowers bloom in colors bright. It's time for picnics, parks, and play. Mother's Day is here to say, I love you. We celebrate with hugs and cheer. June brings summer hot and bright. We go to the beach, splash in the pool. June is for ice cream and fun in the sun. Father's Day is celebrated this month to show dads we love them a bunch. July, the warmest time of the year. We go for picnics, swim in the pool. With friends and family, we laugh and play on Independence Day. Way up high, raindrops fall, but don't you frown. Splashing puddles all around. August brings sunny days so bright. The last days of summer are here to enjoy, with games and laughter for every child. Stay out late until it's almost dark. Soon the leaves will start to change, but for now the summer feels so strange. September brings a change in the air. The days get shorter, the nights grow cool. We see the leaves start to turn bright. September is here, let's have some fun quick. We say goodbye to summer's glow and welcome autumn with fun and show. October brings cooler air, leaves fall down everywhere. Pumpkins start to grow so round, spooky fun is all around. Halloween is coming, ghosts and treats, costumes, candy, and scary beats. October is a fun month to say goodbye. November brings a chill in the air. The days grow shorter, nights grow long. We celebrate Thanksgiving, a day to share with family and friends. We show we care, grateful for love, it feels so great. We can make crafts with leaves of gold. December brings cold and snow. Winter's here with a lovely glow. Christmas trees shine bright and tall, building snowmen in snowy lands. New Year's coming, we say goodbye to the year, to all the fun as we reach for the sky.
Hi kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.